Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a stunning example of a Land Rover Defender 130 in stock with us. Now this one is a particularly special car because it is actually a V8 engine. So not often that we do see it in the 130. It's the P500, so petrol V8 5 litre. Sounds absolutely fantastic, it drives brilliantly as well. Of course, finished off in the beautiful Santorini Black, very much a black theme going right round the car, including the exterior black pack on this vehicle, so black lettering, black grille. Couple of things as standard, 3D surround camera, that gives us that nice bird's eye view when we do come to park the vehicle, and arguably the best alloy wheels that actually do go on Defender are them 5-spoke 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Now we've even got the nice touch of black brake calipers on this car, front and rear mud flaps, V8 badging, which is always a nice touch, and the fixed side steps, which don't come cheap by any means these days. They're about £2,000. Privacy glass, of course, is standard on Defender, and we've even got the black roof rails. Now walking around to the back, as well as the signature spare wheel for Defender, if you just pan that camera a little bit low, we can see that we do have the twin tailpipes on each side, which signifies the V8 engine. Now the 130 in particular is an 8-seater, so we do have a 2-3-3 configuration. Really easy to use them seats and fold them down, of course, just pulling the tethers and folding them down forward, and that gives us access to having a really good size boot. We've got domestic plug socket in here, so we can actually pop the 3-pin charger in there if we do want to charge anything in the rear of the car. And if we look into the interior of the vehicle, a full ebony perforated leather, no clear signs of wear and tear. Of course, we can gain ease of access to them back seats just by simply pulling that up. We've got 4-zone climate control, Meridian audio in the car, it sounds absolutely fantastic, as well as keyless entry, blind spot monitoring on those power folding wing mirrors. Now, lots of adjustment in those electric seats for the driver and the passenger. Memory functionality as well, which is really handy if we do have multiple people hopping in and out. And again, with it being a V8, lots of specification to talk about inside the car. So a little bit of a different steering wheel. We've got the suede cloth finish on that steering wheel. Really, really low mileage, 7,280 miles. So it's way within its infancy. Heated steering wheel. We've even got head-up display ahead of me, so I can see the speed, my nav, see what I'm listening to, anything along those lines. That's totally customizable, and a really nice looking digital dash. Just before we talk about what's below in the center console, we do have a clear view sight rear view mirror. Now that's 15 degrees wider than our typical rear view, but really handy, particularly in a car like this where, well, the rear windscreen's quite a distance back. But if we do have any passengers in the back, any luggage, really, really handy to use. Now, fully automatic, of course. Again, air suspension control, so we can lower or raise the vehicle. We've got dual zone climate control, cooling seats, heated seats on this car. Lots and lots of off-road mode settings, which we can talk to you a little bit more in detail. Navigation, phone connectivity, we do have the nice things as wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, which are a must for me, and a boatload of other apps that you can see on there, even things like Alexa, monitoring the air quality, wave sensing, all of that sort of stuff. Now, we've got twin cup holders, wireless device charging, which is always a nice touch, and between the two front seats, we do actually have a front center console refrigerator. Finally, looking up ahead, if I just move that roof blind back, you will see that we do have a full glass roof on this car, particularly with a darker interior. Lets that light in, makes the car feel even more spacious, but it is actually a sliding panoramic sunroof on this car. So it will open right up for them summer months, really, really handy. But all around is a stunning, probably the greatest example of a Defender 130 that you can possibly offer. Brilliant specification, lots of nice accessories, beautiful colour combinations as well. But if you do have any further questions on this car, or if you'd like to come down, take it for a spin, my name's Sam. You can contact us on 01642 644 444. Thank you.